Former General Secretary of the National Union of Petroleum and Natural Gas Workers, Frank Ovie Kokori, will be laid to rest in his homeland, Ovu-inland, Ethiope East local government area in Delta State. In attendance at the church service is the Minister for Petroleum, Governor of Delta State, the President of Nupeng, and members of the House of Representatives, as well as notable personalities in Delta State. Frank Kokori was regarded as a committed and dedicated defender, promoter, and fighter for workers' rights, as well as the democratic rights of citizens. Late Kokori spent time in prison as he was part of the struggle against military rule in the country. Many of his former associates say he will be remembered for his contribution to collective struggles for the emancipation of the working people. Senior correspondent Sharon Jason, who's at the late Kokori's funeral service, joins me live from Delta. Sharon, how is Delta responding to the funeral service, and what are his colleagues and well-wishers saying about him?
It's been a long day, long week of activities for members of Nupeng, for the state government, and also for the family of Chief Frank Kokori. Many people have started trooping into Icon. For many of the leaders of Nupeng, they said one thing stood him out is that one thing stood him out from the rest of them, which is combining politics and labor effectively without being misunderstood. For the Unionists, they said he was the first National General Secretary of the Union, and he brought prestige to the Union. So for them, they've lost an icon. And during the event, which is still ongoing, I had to excuse myself to turn in the report. They requested that the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the President of the Federal
Senior correspondent Sharon Jason live for us in Delta. We'll get more updates from her when we can in our subsequent bulletin.